Hey YouTube, how you doing? My Note 9 just updated to Android 9, and I noticed that the split screen operates different now. So I thought I'd make a video that shows you how to do a split screen. I use Uber and Lyft with a split screen, and notice that it's different now. So when you go here, you'll notice that instead of the windows cascading down, they're all separate, and you have to scroll horizontally right to left to see your screens that are open. So there's also the icon that used to let you split screen is now missing. To get that split screen, you have to now click on the icon at the top of the window and hold it, and then it'll give you the option to split screen. So we can open Lyft in the split screen view, and then we can select Uber and it'll split screen. Now, another thing that's kind of nice, the window pop-up feature was available in Android 8, but it was harder to use. They've made it easier to use now. So let's get rid of split screen. You can now push and hold this icon at the top of the window, and you can open your app in pop-up view. That feature was available in Android 9, but it was harder to use and get there. And then you can go to the next app, hold the icon at the top, open in pop-up view, and then you've got your two windows. So hopefully this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.